Yeah. And he has a tape looks like Starship and was put on the 30th week of 1998. Coming soon to a theater near you. Following previous after volunteers with the Motion Picture Association America.
At first it was also unbelievable. Mike Dexter wanted to date me. I know why I started dating him. I just don't know why I did it for so long.
Well, he is the most dope guy in school.
Yeah, and school's over.
This party tonight? Amanda suddenly being single? It's fate. Fate has opened me a window. Yo, I got to have sex tonight. It took me all day, but I narrowed it down to a list of 10 very lucky finalists. You know what I'm saying? Do you think there'll be any girls there? Are you kidding me? People may even be having sex tonight. Get that back away! Huntington Hillside, kiss my... You seen Amanda Becker? Yeah, man, I'm sorry. I'm thinking about asking her out, boy. Oh, God, you're a hottie. I filled this with 7 bottles of vodka last September. It's been in my freezer for... Alright, y'all, check it. It's time to get busy.
Who does he think he is, Brad Pitt? And you're like Gwyneth, but with bigger boobs. Oh, totally bigger boobs.
I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs!
Columbia Pictures presents an event 18 years in the making. When you find out who your friends really are.
I don't think she's prettier than Gwyneth. Not even.
What your future really holds.
I am going to have sex with someone at this party.
And how one night can change your life.
I don't know about you, but I really believe that there's one person out there. And for me, it's gotta be Amanda.
There's a mirror right there. Why don't you take a look, okay? You're white.
Guys like us, we are a dime a dozen.
It is fate, but it only takes you so far because once you're there, it's up to you to make it happen.
Amanda?
Can't hardly wait.
Witches has a winning play. Huntington, Huntington, hey, hey, hey!
Yeah. Following previous after volunteers by the Motion Picture Association America.
TriStar Pictures, Amblin Entertainment, the director of GoldenEye. In a land where freedom is a memory and justice is outlawed, the just must become outlaws.
Theater, summer 1998. Following previous after volunteers with the Motion Picture Association America.
This fall, one student is returning for her sophomore year. With a new dedication to her studies.
You got a letter. What is it?
A new chance to start again.
Just another frat party. Knock yourself out. Thanks.
And an old secret that just won't die.
Oh my God.
And know what you did last summer. The story continues. It's Thanksgiving. Coming soon to home video. Following previous tax revisions from the Motion Picture Association of America.
This site was founded by runaways from different cities in the lowlands. Possibly people earmarked for sacrifice.
His films have been called brilliant and provocative, daring, compelling, magical. Now, acclaimed writer-director John Sayles takes us to a place we've never been before. A place of innocence and violence, of beauty and mystery. A world of danger and dreams, where a search for answers becomes a question of survival. In this land, there are only two kinds of people. Men with guns, and those at their mercy. Men with guns.
Ask him if he's heard about any atrocities.
Who asked him that?
Atrocidados? Aquí? No, yo soy ocurre en otros países, pero no aquí.
The new film from John Sayles.
Following previous tax revisions for the Motion Picture Association of America.
In theaters around the world, where action is almost a religion, they worship a hero. Chow Yun-fat is John Lee, a deadly assassin.
Which brings us to your task. It involves a cop.
In a dangerous world,
After that, your obligation to me ends.
where the fastest way to die is to refuse to kill.
There's been a problem. Bring in professionals. Men of John's talent.
Eddie, I need a passport.
I know this broad. Her name's Meg Coburn.
I want forged documents.
Okay. You said forged.
So what's the time frame?
Immediate. Now, the replacements are here.
Don't turn around.
Cops?
Assassin.
You're getting yourself killed for a cop?
Not a cop. A 7-year-old boy.
And they're going to stop them. From executive producer John Woo,
What did you get me into?
You two make a cute couple.
international action star Chow Yun-fat, and Academy Award winner Mira Sorvino.
So what made you assume that I could jack a car?
Lucky guess.
Killers. Directed by Antoine Fuqua.
Now available on home video.
In a genetically controlled future,
Life expectancy, 30.2 years.
he was rejected by society. Now,
his only chance.
So how do you expect to pull this off?
Is to hide his own identity by borrowing someone else's.
Congratulations. What about the interview? That was it. I got it. I have a feeling you might be there under false pretenses.
I don't even know who you are.
The investigators are coming by.
Ethan Hawke, Uma Thurman, Gattaca, rated PG-13.
This is a modified digital version. This format fit the screen.